Today, Rotary has been organized self-defense workshop. So, what do you like to say about this program?
Good morning. So today we are here as a part of the Rotary Club of Panjim, and we have organized a self-defense workshop for all the women of Goa. We have seen increasing number of crimes these days, increasing number of cases. So we are here to make everybody aware of them, to show them how they can protect themselves. And we, as a part of Rotary Club of Panjim, we keep having these programs and would urge all the women of Goa to come here to learn all these things, because sometime or the other it will be useful for you all.
Who are present for this program? Who is the resource person?
Okay, so the resource person is Protractor Iram. We are in association, we collaborated with Panjim Police, and our chief guest who also helped us in getting this venue is Mrs. Maria, the Sarpanch of Talegaon. And yeah.
What would be your message on this workshop?
So the message about this workshop would be, it is very clear, self-defense. Okay. These days, the number of crimes that are happening, cases, rape cases, are increasing. The women don't know what to do. They become survivors, but they're all hurt. They come up with this pain. They come up with a sort of, a wound, an internal wound also. But if we teach them how to fight back, we teach them how to be strong, we teach them how to stand up for themselves, I think we can make this world a better place. We can make sure these women are not only survivors, these women are fighters.
As a successfully organized this program workshop, what are the other activities you do under the Rotary Panjim?
So, as a part of the Rotary Club of Panjim, we organize a lot of other things. We organize mostly it's service. We try to do service, try to do impactful projects. So, as now you see, we are doing self-defense, we do tree plantation, blood donation, we do a lot of charitable work. It's more about leadership, it's more about taking charge.
Ma'am, your full name and how your experience been working with the Rotary?
Sorry?
Your full name and how was your experience been being a member of Rotary?
So I'm Protractor Dr. Saidi Nagwekar, and I'm the secretary of Rotary Club of Panjim. I think being a part of Rotary has been life-changing for me, because from the time you come as a very, I've come as a very quiet, like a very timid girl, and coming here, being able to talk right now even in front of the camera is a very big achievement for me. It teaches you how to speak, it teaches you how to stand up for yourself, it teaches you a lot of things, it teaches you leadership. It teaches you how to be empathetic. It teaches you how to, work for the society. It gives you that happiness doing something for the society. I think it's something, if you're looking out for any of the leadership qualities or just doing anything for the society, I think you all should join Rotary Club of Panjim.